I'm Pete from Two Wheels Only, and this is my Mega. So it's an XL frame, purple, limited run colourway, running the fantastic new Charger 3 Zebs with a super ultimate air shock. I quite enjoy pedaling, so the air shock suits better than the coil. And the rock shock stuff for the value is fantastic. Vertec bar and stem, carbon, lightweight, comfy, absolutely love these, and Vertec are awesome. Hope Tech 4 V4s in silver with the black touches, also love them. Loads of power. The drivetrain's pretty cool. This is the latest SRAM XO group set, running my original Hope cranks. Not actually ridden it yet, but on first test rides, it rides absolutely flawlessly and looks insane. Hope Pro 5 hubs with the brilliant EX511 rims, bulletproof, not too heavy, and that rear hub is a huge step forward. Final thing is the stunning Warp 2 pedals. Pretty unique